So what's happening here in our Houston real estate market? Everyone wants to know, are we going to see a crash? And what should I do with my home? It can be so confusing with all of the news, whether it be positive or negative. What are the best choices to make for your family? I totally understand. I'm in the industry and I have been for over 10 years, and I can help you navigate this market. My name is Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. Let's look at the data of what's happening so that you can make an educated decision. First off, according to the real estate expert and advisor, anytime you have inventory levels that are 6 months or below, that we are in a seller's market. Anytime we have a level above 6 months, we are in a buyer's market. It's sort of like the supply and demand theory. When the interest rates are low, there are more buyers because their affordability increase. And when there is a limited supply like it is right now, then the prices go up. So each time, despite Thanksgiving, buyers and renters did not take a chance to slow down. Sales were still up. Per Houston Association of Realtors, single-family home sales rose to 3.9% compared to last November with 8,320 units sold. That is up to 8,010 sales in 2020. On a year-to-date basis, local home sales are 12% ahead of 2020 record pace and up to 22.2% versus 2019, a previous record-setting years. As in October, home in a 500,000 to 1 million price range drew the greatest sales volume increase for the month, registered at 49.1% year over year again. The 250,000 to 500,000 housing segment came in second place with 26.2%. That was followed by the luxury segment, which consists of homes priced from 1 million and above. It rose to 23.4% over its November 2020 level. Wait a minute. Now in Houston area, home in the luxury market are over 1 million. That changed this year. Single-family home inventory edged downward to 1.6 months supplies versus 2.1 months last November. Since August, inventory has been holding at 1.8 months, the market greatest supplies home for 2021. Housing inventory national stand at 2.4 months supply, according to the latest report from the National Association of Realtors, NAR. For our investor out there, let's take a look at the leases numbers. Houston's largest market enjoyed robust activity in November following a mixed performance in October. Single-family lease home rose to 7.1% over a year ago. Leases of townhome and condominium increased by 5.1%. The average single-family rent climbed to 8.5% to $2,042, while the average rent of townhome and condominium increased by 3.8% at $1,737 a month. For all my friends out there looking to move to the greater Houston area, because our prices are more affordable, single-family home price keep going up. The median price climbed to 16.3% to tie its record high to $314,000, originally reached in June 2021. The average price rose to 12.6% to $383,807, the third highest price of all time. Throughout the pandemic, Houston market remained strong. One of the reasons is our strong economy. In November 2021 edition of The Economy at a Glance, GHP reported following. The region's workforce continued to recover. Approximately 280,000 Houstonians on net dropped to the labor force in the early stage of the pandemic. All but 55,000 have returned. Houstonians who stood on the sideline are rejoining the workforce. Young adults coming of age are entering the labor market, and workers from other metro and other countries are moving here for job opportunities. Well, we all know the interest rates are above 3% right now, but it's still a good number for buyers to buy a home. It's still a great time to sell as well. We are consistently experiencing bidding war and home being sold above list price. Feel free to reach out to us at no cost or risk for a hassle-free strategy session. I'm looking forward to hear from you as always. I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate, and make it a great home buying and selling day.